Hi, good morning. It's Christa with artisticvegan.com, and I'm excited to bring you a delicious and healthy tea that you can make at home. And this is something where you can use just one of the ingredients listed or all of them. I like to grab a little bit of this and a little bit of that and maybe try a new loose leaf tea when I go out or a different leaf and add to my collection, and then add a little bit of this and that to my tea, and it turns into this mixture of different herbs and spices, and Gerald likes to call it my witch's brew. So you'll want, for my variety today, if you want other varieties, let me know. We're doing cinnamon. In addition to that, you'll want some tea manzanilla or chamomile tea. And then I've also got a little bit of stevia, maybe less than a teaspoon, and that will sweeten it naturally. So you save yourself on sweetener there. And then I've also got some reishi powder, and that's completely optional. And then I've also got some moringa and jamaica flowers or hibiscus flowers, and it's a mixture there. And then I've got some leaves that are from the guanabana or the soursop tree, and we've also have some seen leaves, and then I've also got some fresh ginger, which will also help with your digestion. So that's everything that I have here. I'm just gonna slice up my ginger and then add everything to a pot. I've got a big pot on the stove of boiling water here. Get the recipe at artisticvegan.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.
This trip, this course has been a multi-dimensional, very magical experience for me.